Hello guys, welcome to this video, and today we're going to make a navigation bar using DisplayFlex, and we're gonna do it real fast, and we're gonna do it in a way in which you will never have to view another video for how to do this ever again. Okay, we're gonna learn it in a very good way. So let's clear this up first, and I've already done this once, and I'll show you what the model looks like. The model looks like this. Actually, you can see the end product. It's actually not bad. Okay, so we're gonna just do that again. So first of all, I recommend there is a command of nav itself, but I recommend you use the UL and you give it a class of nav. Okay, so the reason behind this you will see very soon, because UL is one of the easiest way to do it. As we can see, when we run this type of thing pops up, which is not really like a navigation bar. Now we need to turn this into this, and there are a few steps to this. First of all, we're going to put a style tag in here. You can really make a separate file for this and link it up, but for now, since we are doing it in W3 Schools from the web, which I really recommend you to check out. I'm not sponsored or anything. You need to go check this website out because it's actually really good to help beginners learn new things. Alright, so what we're going to do is .nav, selecting the class, and what we are going to do is first of all list style none. What this does is it removes the text. Next, what we're going to do, and the main point of this video, we're going to do display flex, which is going to bring everything to a single line, as you can see right here. Next, we're going to do margin. Let's not do this first, actually. Let's do justify content, and we're going to do space around. Okay, so it's very simple. You can see space around right here, and there are various things that you can write in this place. As you can see, when you do space around, this happens. There's also like space between where this happens, and there's also other things here. There's also the center. We'll see center also. We'll see center. We use this at some places as well, but in a navigation bar we can just use space around, which works really well. And to give it a very good background color, and I recommend you to use this background color a lot as well. This background color is absolutely beautiful and easy to memorize as well. It is just RGB 60 60 60, and if you don't know how RGB works, we can make a separate video about that later on. Alright, so as we can see, it's already like this. We now, as you can see, the text is not very visible, so we're going to do the color of the text. We can just write color for the text color, and we can make it white. As we see, it looks quite beautiful now. And what we're going to do right here is that the body or the entire HTML page generally has its own margin, and it also has its own padding. So we're gonna remove those by making both of those 0 pixels, and we'll see some difference right there. As you can see, it joined to the sides. And now we're gonna remove the margin of this nav bar thing, the UL thing as well, and we'll see the difference. It's gonna stick to the top now. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this thing a bit more fatter, because this looks very thin and it looks kind of not like we would want it to look. Let's see the difference here. 15 pixel. If we make it 15 pixel, look, it looks actually kind of good, right? And if you want to, yeah, I guess we're actually at the end of our navigation bar, and the way to make all of these navigation bars into links is to put an anchor tag in here with a href tag, right? And you can for now just make it a hash thing, and you can add like home.html and thing on it later on. All right, you can also keep this a outside the li, so you can press it anywhere, or you can just remove the pad. You can just make the padding of the a larger as well. Okay, and you can also add hovering effects to this if you want to see those, then I will have videos about those on my channel as well. So we will see you later on those videos. Thank you for watching this video. As you can see, we have got our final model sort of right. As you can see, it's actually quite good looking navigation bar. We can in another navigation bar video, we can make it so that there's one logo here, and there's like the login and sign up page here, and we can make it responsive as well, with that when it gets to a mobile level, it actually becomes that three dot thing, like the menu button thing, right? And from the menu button thing, you just press it and everything pops up in the side. So we're gonna do that all in one of the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching very much. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you later. Thank you for watching.